Patapos na po ang 2025 at isa sa mga dapat nating i-celebrate kung paano natin na-survive ang taong ito. Mapa-big o small wins man, achievement pa rin yan.
Isulat nyo na sa papel yan mga kapatid, tapos say it out loud sabay tusok sa trending na achievement cake. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan si Laila Pangilinan.
And nakadiscover ako ng bagong sport.
2 araw na lang at goodbye 2025 na. Pero bago tuluyang magpaalam, may mga bagay ka bang gustong ipagpasalamat sa taong ito? Ang vlogger pharmacist na si Archie.
Hi, my name is Archie, and this 2025, I was able to invest on a big property, so abangan niyo lang sa vlogs ko.
Ang volleyball star namang si Alisa Valdez.
I'm grateful for being physically healthy and I'm grateful for someone this year.
Yan ang trending na achievement cake. Kahit pa yung pinakasimpleng ganito.
This year, I finally learned how to cook.
Worth celebrating yan. From big wins.
This year, I can buy anything with my own money.
Nakalipat na ako sa bagong gawang bahay at nakabili ng pangalawang car.
I got my first 1-bedroom apartment. I got my first 6-digit savings.
So I'm Kokoy and I was finally brave enough to try solo traveling this year. Yay!
To small victories.
I learned to manage my emotions better.
My biggest achievement this year is I was able to maintain a good sleeping schedule and discover more about myself.
And I'm grateful for surviving this 2025.
Kaya kung feeling mo ganito ka this year,
Gagawin ko sana yung trending ngayon na achievement cake. Huwag na lang pala. Kakainin ko na lang to. Wala pa naman ako na-achieve.
okay lang yan kapatid. Kalma. Hinga. Wala tayo sa karera. Ang mahalaga, we survived 2025. No looking back. Just moving forward. Nagbabalita mula sa frontline. Laila Chicadora, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Cheryl Cosing po. Maging maalam at may pakialam sa mga napapanahong issue at headlines. Mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.